back to my channel. And today we're going to be making some BTS snow globes. So yeah, let's get started. There's two methods, and let me go get the stuff that I need because I didn't already get it. So yeah. Okay, while my sister's vacuuming, let me show you what you need. You need some packing tape, some hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun which is heating up. You need some water, and then this is what else you need. Let me get it right here. You need a ball of newspaper.
Where's the big vacuum?
You just basically need a mason jar. I bought mine from the DT because, yeah. And then you need some fake snow. You need some clear soap, and you need glitter. I don't know where my glitter went. Could you get that Ace more bag right over there? You need some glitter, also from the dollar store. And then you need to print out some pictures of the stuff that you want in there, aka BTS. Okay, could you give me my little ornament thing? This one? Yeah. And there's two methods. We have the ornament version or the snow globe version. So this one you can hang on the tree. This one is like, oh yeah, so cool. Okay, you can't really. Oh, you also need scissors. Could you get me the pink scissors? I don't know where they went.
I don't know where they went.
Yeah, neither do I. Oh, here they are. Okay, found them.
Follow me on Instagram.
So here are the pictures. Let's open them. They're state-of-the-art BTS pictures. Ready? Let's take a looky. Ta-da! Ooh, look at that pure beauty. These are the only winter BTS pictures I could find, but they're Puma. So yeah. Basically we're gonna get one picture. Yeah, the one in the hallway. We're gonna get two pictures and print them out, put them back to back, and put them on here. So yeah, we're gonna cut them. So yeah. What? There's the other scissors right there. So we're gonna first start off by cutting the picture. For the first person, I'm going to be doing Jimin and RM. So you want to first start by cutting off any white. So I screenshotted this off Google, and then when I was at CVS or Walgreens or wherever you choose to go, you just do edit picture, and you can basically just edit the picture. So, cut out the pic that you need. And you can use other pictures, so try not to like cut them back. So here we got a Jimin picture. Put that right there. It smells like a pool.
I know, it smells great. It smells like a mix of poop in a pool.
Now we're gonna go in for the RM action, aka Namjoon. So yeah, I'm gonna either post once a week or twice a week because I don't know. What?
Never happened to once a day.
Okay, I can't do once a day anymore. Okay.
Too busy.
We're too busy. Our schedule is too busy. We have so much taekwondo. I barely have any time to make videos. And bam, there we got them. We've got a BTS picture. We got Genie and we got RM. And we're going to make them back to back. Like a disc. And then you turn it and there's Jimin. So we're going to glue this onto here so when it's in the snow glue, you can see them. Even though it's super small. Like, do you see how small that is? But you know what? It's too bad. It's going to look good. So now go in with your packing tape. And you can't see because this thing. Here it is. This little white thing right here. So get your tape. Make it like this. Get a coin or something. Open it extra big. Put the coin here and get the tape. And just snip it to a little bit bigger than the pictures. And you want to do one picture at a time. So here's right here. And with the picture side up, get the tape and just press it flat on like a disc. Don't touch my Jimin. Just like this.
Yes, Mom?
And now you're gonna like wrap the bottom down like that. And then we're gonna do the bottom as well. So this is what it should look like. It should be sealed with some extra plastic right here. Time to do Jimin. Who's Jimin? Time to do Jimin. Now we're gonna go in with our tape again, and basically repeat the same exact thing, but instead of doing the top and the bottom, do the side and the side, because we have to do it two separately because we're savage. So you press on the tape on the front part on the Jimin face. Oh, like it this. Oh no! Make sure not to make it like wrinkly. If you do, then it's gonna turn out bad. Please don't tear the picture. Okay, there we go. Bam! And basically, I'm just gonna do the top and the bottom because those ones seem the most good to use. So there we go. We've got our safe pictures, and now from the sides, just cut off the excess stuff. This video is gonna be long, just saying. Bam! And just cut off the extra ones too. So the reason I'm calling RM is because one day Forever Rain was playing on my Google Home. I was like, hey Google, what's the song? And she said, oh, Forever Rain by Who is Okay. So now that you got that, you should have two identically sized pictures. They're not identical, but they should be. Okay, now you want to get a big piece of tape. Actually, it's not that big because we're going to cut it in half. But get a piece of tape, cut it. Here we got it. And we're going to cut this in half because we have to,
Hey, Onion, I'm going to vacuum real quick.
Okay, make sure to keep it quiet.
Bruh, it's a vacuum.
And just stick it on the top. Okay, actually, no, this is too small. Get away from me. I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh, wait, yes, I do. Get RM and just stick it right like this.
Bye.
Okay, Eliza. Ah! Now get the genie and stick it on the opposite side. But make sure that it's still the same.
Baby sock was stuck here.
Got 'em. Like this, so it should be on two separate areas. Oh, I did it wrong. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Now stick them back to back and stick the RM tape on and around him and stick the Jimin tape all around RM. So there we got it. Fully safe picture, double-sided of BTS. So cool. And just because we're extra, let's cover up the top and the bottom. Here we go. Because I don't want them to get messed up. Eliza! Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'm all done.
Thank God. And yeah, I'm just going to cover the top and the bottom with tape as well.
Hold on,
Because
all this stuff didn't get in.
I don't want it to get messed And there you got it. Perfectly safe BTS pictures. Okay, now you have to glue it to the top of the mason jar. So get your hot glue gun. Sorry, I have to do this off camera. But all I'm doing is making a line of hot glue on the bottom of my mason jar. Like that. And then get your picture. Don't put it upside down. Put it like this and stick them together. Ta-da! And you can just like straighten it out. It needs to be straightened. Bam. Now go in with more hot glue on just the sides to kind of build up the thickness. Sorry you can't see me doing this, but the hot glue gun is not really stretching that far. So yeah. There we go. So this is what mine looks like. This is the side view. And yeah, while that is drying, we're going to start to make the mixture. So first, get rid of this tag on top. Let me do it. Okay. Okay, well, get your soap, and I have a different soap that I'm going to use. I had to buy a lot of ingredients for this because I'm making like 10 different snow globes. No, I'm not making 10, that's excessive. I'm making like 6 snow globes, so yeah. Fill the bottom with soap. I'm using clear soap, liquid hand soap, $1. Everything I'm using is from the dollar store, except for the pictures because they don't sell that kind of stuff there. And the fake snow. The fake snow is not from the dollar store either because I had to buy that. But this 2 gallons of fake snow was, okay, now fill it up with water to the very, okay, don't fill it to the rim, but like almost to the rim. Now we got our snow. And you can just add some snow to it. Also, Sammy, if you're still here, I just want to give you a shout out for being my one and only view. So yeah, add some glitter. You can't really see that, but I added a little bit of this iridescent white glitter. And now we're going to go in with our snow. Oh, you can see the glitter now. And you don't want to add too much because then you won't be able to see. Just like one little handful. That's all you need. One little handful with your tiny little hands. And now you want to fill the rest up with water to like the very, very rim. To like this high. Oh, Alice, could you get me a disposable spoon, please?
Spoon? I'm such a good sister.
So yeah, you can add as many different glitters. I just need one. Okay. As many different glitters as you want. I'm just adding 2 different white ones. Actually, no. And now give it a quick stir. Don't do it quick if it's gonna spill. But kind of mix it around.
A nice stir.
A little slow stir to combine the soap and everything together. And now you want to add in the picture thing. It should be dry by now. And you just want to add it in. And you see how there's still like air on top? Yeah, you don't want any of that. So just fill it to the very tippy top.
That's good, that's good.
And you want to like blow the bubbles away. This takes precision. Okay,
Yeah.
there we go. I just want to go. Okay, let's get me some towels. And now just seal it up. Nice and tight. Oh, it's leaking. Okay, it's not leaking, but it's kind of wet.
Can I make a suggestion?
And there you got it. You can't really see the picture, but it's in there.
Can I make a suggestion?
What?
When you do it, you can also add some like essential smelling oils.
No, you
That
can't.
smell
You're not
good.
going to smell it.
Too bad.
Too bad? Well, this one kind of failed because you can't really see the picture. Wait, you can. If you let all of the air sit to the top, you can see it. So let's wait for this one, and I'll show you how to make the second one. It should be much easier.
Because it's the container small.
So now, you just want to do the same exact steps with the pictures. So do the whole picture thing, and like glue it to the little lid, and then we'll go on to the next step.
Another
Okay,
RM?
so yeah, I printed 6 pictures. Okay, so once you get your thing all surrounded, you want to oh my gosh, I got hot glue on the table. Oh wait, it comes out.
Look at Sugar, he's so cute. He's like, ah.
Do the hot glue step I totally forgot to do. So I find it better to do a gigantic blob and then press it on.
Why are your toys everywhere again? They just
I did V this time, V and RM. So
Can I see the jungle cord?
no, I didn't do jungle yet.
Oh, I see the one with the nose.
With the nose, they
No,
all
with like
have
the
a
Rudolph
nose.
red-nosed reindeer.
They all have noses.
I'm just.
No, that's Hobie. That's my J-Hope.
Okay.
My Hope. Okay. Now, you can buy these at $1 for any craft store. And now,
Oh, there it is.
what's it now that you've got that, you want to fill it up
I don't know.
with some glitz. Why are you sticking together? Mommy, stop yelling. It's getting in my video. Okay, there we go. Add a tiny bit of glitz. So you don't want it to spill out. Oh, the video's so long. Okay, well, it's almost going to be over. And just add a little pinch of
Did you
snow.
hear this? It's like a squishy.
I'm just adding 2
gross-
little pinches of snow. like it kind of leaks out, but not really. Okay, so let that go.
Eliza!
Yes.
Just give me the thing in the kitchen.
Okay, and here's the RM one. You can kind of see it. It looks really cool though, to be honest. That's RM. That's Jimin. I really like it. I don't know why. I really do. Okay, yeah, this is dry now. Basically, just screw the cap on. There we go. It's a snow globe.
Oh.
It's a snow globe. And it's snowy in there. I think I need extra snow. Oh. Yeah, I'm just going to add some more snow to this. Because I need it to be more snowy and more...
Cute. Something like that.
Snow globe. Yeah, that's definitely enough. It's like you don't want to add too much so that they get totally covered, but you want to add enough so that's a snow globe. And I totally... Yeah, it's about to be over. So yeah, there you go. That's how you make it. You've got choice number 1 or choice number 2. I think choice number 2 works better, to be honest. But yeah. Thanks so much for watching the video. What?
Why didn't you add soap and water in the other one?
You can take this out.
Oh. So leak?
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching this long video. I hope that you have a good Christmas. And if you go to my Taekwondo school, then I'll see you at the Saturday luncheon. But if you don't,
what is a luncheon?
Eliza.
Yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.
Eliza.